Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a very quick and very easy DIY that I hope will inspire you and maybe help you as it helped me when I started thinking of this idea. I bought this cube from Dollar Tree many years ago. It was one of the first designs that they carried. So there were no options, and so I bought it because I needed it. But I don't really like it. Never liked it. So I'm going to do something with it that will give it a new look that I like better. So I took the measurements because I want the borders to be a little wider and a little taller. So I took the measurements for what I needed. It was 9 by 8, and I cut a piece of that size from this foam board from Dollar Tree, and I ended up with this piece that I mixed this regular black acrylic paint from Craftsmart with this ready mixed pouring paint, which is metallic white from Artist's Loft, which is acrylic also. So I got, because I ran out of spray paint, anyway I tried spray paint on foam board and it doesn't work, and I wanted some metallic look. So mixing those two types of paint gave me this look that is really metallic, and I like it. And what I'm going to do is to transform this into to mimic a drawer from a file cabinet. I think that's the right way. I distressed it with my favorite distress, which is the liquid shoe polish in color brown. It mimics rusting, and it's amazing. I love it. I painted the sides too, except for this one, which is going to be standing on the shelf. It's not going to be seen. So I want to show you that this is very easy. And yes, it's okay. You just paint the borders. I kind of use my finger to make it softer sometimes. Sometimes I leave it as it is for different looks. And as you can see, in a moment you have that rustic look, rusted and rustic look that you may be looking for. And why do I have these holes, and why did I distress these areas? Because I'm going to add this label frame, I don't know how to call it, that this belongs to this sign from Dollar Tree, that I remove it because I'm using this. I used it for Valentine's and I'm going to use it next year for Valentine's. So for the time being I don't need to use it from the front. Someday maybe I will like to add something, because I like double-sided things to use both sides of everything. But from now I needed that label frame, label whatever, so I remove it from there. And I have this handle that is perfect for this kind of front of drawer that I'm going to place there. And as you can see, this is seriously really quick. You don't even need to screw the screws. Yes, the screws. I have the screws that came with this, so I just pressed them. I already made the holes with the same screws. So I'm just pressing them, and the look is absolutely perfect. It's what I was going for, and I'm so glad that I found the perfect solution for that, for me, ugly cube. Have another one for the handle. They are not easy to pick. Okay. Let me see where the holes are. Two more and we will be almost done. One on this hole and another one on this hole. And now it's just a matter of adhering this to the cube. As you can see, being taller than the cube makes it more real. I'm going to use E6000 but also hot glue because I need it to dry quickly for you to see the final result, but I also need it to stay in place for the long haul. I don't know if it's right to say that for something like this. So I have to be careful to remember that this doesn't go all the way to the top of the cube. So let me add some more E6000 here and replace the lid. And now I'm going to add the hot glue. That hopefully will keep this in place long enough for you to see how it looks from the front at the end of this video. So I'm being generous because I really want this to be glued. Okay, so now let's do this. And let's keep our fingers crossed that this will stay in place. So this is it. That's how you get file cabinet drawer out of a Dollar Tree cube. And I will remove this and this now after showing you how it looks from the front, because I need to place this somewhere with the weight to allow the E6000 to dry, but for now it's going to stay this way. So I'll be right back. So I hope you like this idea, I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.